Assalamu alaikum students of class 9th. You are having the second last chapter named Allama Iqbal. In this lecture I will discuss the chapter. Okay, so student, take out your book and read this chapter and listen to me carefully. Okay. General discussion of this chapter. Allama Iqbal, the poet of the East. Allama Iqbal is known as a poet of the East. Born in Sialkot on 9th November, and he was a great poet, well versed in philosophy, both Eastern and Western. Got the PhD degree by Munich University. And he had played a great role for the Muslims of India, and got independence through wise decision and his poetry. So this is the general discussion of Allama Iqbal. Okay, now come to the early life of Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal born on 9th November 1877 in Sialkot. Received early education in hometown. In 1895 went to Government College Lahore. Passed his MA in 1899. And he passed MA from Punjab University. Appointed Professor of Arabic at the Oriental College Lahore. In 1908 awarded PhD by Munich University. So this is about the early life of Allama Iqbal. Now, how Allama Iqbal played an active participant of Muslim of South Asia. He devoted a great part for Muslims of South Asia. He elected a member of Punjab Legislative Council, elected President of Punjab Legislative Council from 1926 to 1929. He took an active part in politics. He wanted to see all provinces united under a single state. Now come to the awakening of Muslim. How Allama Iqbal awakened the Muslims. He awoke Muslim from their sleep. Developed a potential of overcoming on this situation. He wrote poems for Muslims of South Asia. Through his energy and poetry, he awoke Muslims. He explained them about the ethics, culture, tradition of Muslims and how the Muslims are different from the Britishers. We can't develop freely with the Hindus as they were in majority in those reign tenure. He also explained this view. Okay. Now, how he formed Muslim League. Formation of Muslim League. Muslim League of Muslim met in Lahore. Allama Iqbal passed a resolution known as Pakistan Resolution, worked with heart and soul, struggled for Pakistan, and he had firm belief. He got the leadership qualities and passed a resolution known as Pakistan Resolution. Now come to the Allahabad Address. How he had come with the Allahabad Address. What was the saying in his Allahabad Address? I have learned one lesson from the history of Muslims at difficult moments in their history. It is Islam that has saved Muslims and not Muslims that have saved Islam. If today you put your faith in Islam, you will become strong and united once again and save yourself from complete destruction. Beta, these are the saying of Allahabad address. So, in this saying, Allama Iqbal had said about Islam. Islam have saved Muslim, not Muslim have saved Islam. So, we have to be confirmed. We have put our faith. We should be have the firm belief in the oneness of Allah, and regarding our Islam we should be very confident regarding it. So it is the saying of Allahabad address according to Allama Iqbal. So student, what you have to do, you have to read this chapter carefully at your home as it is in your book. Kindly read it carefully, and in my next lecture I will read this chapter according to the book, and I will explain you in Urdu as well from the book. And in the third one lecture I will provide you the notes of this chapter. Only one chapter, the role of the woman, will be left in the first term. Okay, so kindly class 9th, complete your work, bring your copies on every Wednesday, because it is the meeting day and the checking day of 9th and metric. Kindly come with complete SOPs in the school timing between 9 to 12. We, the teachers of Gulistan Shah Abdul Latif Boys Secondary School, will be there for you regarding any assistance, regarding your test, monthly test, regarding your copy work. Everything will be discussed in these timings. So kindly complete your work and complete your assignment and submit it to me. Test, copies and everything will be having the marks, and it will be added in the report card as well, and result will also be announced. Okay, so don't take it easy. Okay, everything will be sorted out by staying at home. Kindly come and bring your assignment, bring your copies and everything with you for the submission on Wednesday. Okay, student, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.